Render video in Adobe Premiere Pro. After finishing your editing, click on File. Here, just hover over on Export and click on Media, or you can just directly press Ctrl M to open this export setting or render window. In here, you have to select Output and click on this format and select your format. You can select H.264. This is basically for video. Now you can change your video preset. I'm selecting match source, high bitrate, and here you can change your video output name. Just click on that and you can change your video output name. You can also change your video output or render location. Now here select video and you will find a bunch of different options to customize and time interpolation. Here select any of the option. Now just click on export and that's it. That's how we can export video in our Adobe Premiere Pro.